Let's create an AI notes taker using Python. We import Flask components for the web interface, including redirect and URL_for form handling, TF-IDF vectorizer to convert note text into vectors, multinomial NB as our classifier, and make_pipeline to chain both into one ML workflow. This initializes the Flask application, so we can define routes and handle HTTP requests. We define training examples as keyword-rich sentences paired with category labels such as work, personal, and idea, teaching the model which vocabulary patterns belong to each node type. We unpack the training data into separate collections containing the node text samples and their corresponding category labels so the classifier can learn from them. We build an NLP pipeline that converts node text into TF-IDF vectors while removing common English stop words, then trains a naive-based classifier to automatically predict the most appropriate node category. We initialize an empty list that acts as an in-memory database, storing nodes and their AI-predicted categories while the application is running. This route handles both GET requests for displaying the notes page and POST requests for processing newly submitted notes. When a form is submitted, we extract the node content from the form data and remove any unnecessary white space to ensure clean input. If the node contains text, we pass it through the trained machine learning pipeline, which analyzes the content and predicts the most suitable category. We save the node content along with its predicted category into our in-memory nodes collection for later display. After processing the submission, we redirect back to the homepage using the post-redirect GET pattern to prevent duplicate submissions when the page is refreshed. We render the HTML template and pass all stored nodes in reverse order, so the newest nodes appear first in the interface. This starts the Flask development server in debug mode, enabling live reloading and detailed error output during development. Now here is our index.html, where I have designed the all-user interface. If you'd like access to this code, just send me a message on our Discord server.